What up, world? It's your boy Cappuccino, aka Gunplay. What it is? Yeah, this basically a small introduction to who I be. For those who don't know, this is who I be. You know what I mean? Basically, it's just a little introduction to my music. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get y'all in tune to this fire. You know what I mean? That's been blazing for a while now, you know what I mean? But y'all ain't felt the heat. You know what I'm saying? So basically, I'm trying to push the heat through the wire. You know what I mean? So y'all can feel it. You know what I'm saying? Basically, I want to give a shout out to my homies though. My real homies, you know what I'm saying? My boy Pressy Price and all that. You know what I'm saying? My boy Celebrity Floss Hood. Do your thing, nigga. I see you doing it. You know what I'm saying? All of the real homies, all my Tree One posse. You know what I'm saying? It's been a minute though. You know what I'm saying? But that's my hood. You know what I mean? Basically, these joints I'm about to get y'all in tune with. It's some joints that I basically recently just put them together and all that. You know what I'm saying? Basically, the game is changing a lot. You know what I'm saying? And a lot of homies can't convert they shit. You know what I'm saying? Pardon the language and all that. You know what I mean? But, you know, we gonna keep it real. You know what I'm saying? So basically, I've been doing this thing for a minute now, man. I've been in the game since like the 80s and all that, man. You know what I'm saying? I started out dancing. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even started out, you know what I'm saying, rapping and all that. You know what I'm saying? Spitting. I started out dancing, basically. You know what I mean? And I used to actually be a DJ too, you know what I'm saying? I used to DJ and all that, you know what I'm saying? Spin records and all that, you know what I'm saying? I used to do all that, but the talent used to always flow through my veins, you know what I'm saying, pertaining to music. You know what I'm saying? I always knew that I had a musical note within my mind, within the brain, you know what I'm saying? My brain is like basically a music box, you know what I'm saying? It's constantly just repeating and adding music, you know what I mean? So basically, you know, I'm just here now. This is my time now to let y'all know that this fire is here. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to let y'all get in tune with this fire. Yeah. Basically, that getting money now joint, you know what I mean? Wow. It's been days, man, where nigga ain't even had nothing to eat, man, believe it or not, you know what I'm saying? It's hard on the street. You know what I'm saying? So basically, that joint is just a celebration for all the shit that I've been through in my life. You know what I'm saying? Jordans came out, you know what I'm saying? Everybody on the block got the hot joints, so you know what I mean? I'm like, damn, I want to pay those, son, you know what I'm saying? Paper low though, you know what I mean? So, nigga on the corner, you know what I'm saying, with a little 8 and all that, you know what I'm saying? Trying to flip that up and all that. Trying to make something happen and all that, you know what I'm saying? All because of that paper, you feel me? So, basically right now, I just use my talent, man, and flip it, man. I'ma flip it like work. You know what I'm saying? I'ma flip it like work. And basically, it's just a celebration to how I feel. You know what I'm saying? I feel good now. I feel rich now, you know what I'm saying? I drive them nice cars now and all that, you know what I'm saying? Because this is what my talent gave me, you feel me? So, that's what that joint is about. It's all about how I feel good. Yeah. It's that laid back music. Just lay back in your whip. You know what I'm saying? You gotta look out for them snitches though. You getting that dough. You getting money now, and it's all good. You getting money now. We about the hood. You getting money now. We got them honeys now. We drive them nice cars. The shit ain't funny now. We getting money now, and it's all good. We getting money now. We about the hood, we getting money now. We got them honeys now. We drive them nice cars. This shit ain't funny now. I feel good like a lotto winner. 50 mil and anything that could work, long as it fit the bill. My niggas is fit to kill. I'm handing out wills to them niggas spilling they beans and buying them fiends. And lying on the stand, gave my man 50 grand. Ain't talking about $1 sign with a lifespan. Damn, these niggas ain't got no love. watch your tone, nigga. Your phone might be bugged, cause they heard about them kilos and the links down at Rio the Fast. Peeping your stilo, nigga, keep it on the D-Lo, know the game. You can't cause traffic in the lane, that's the P now. Or bullet to the brain, it'll never be the same when you caught up in the flame. On every wanted poster, there's a picture in the name. Niggas will sell you out for a little bit of change. I'm jealous of the Porsche, Bentley in the range. I'ma hit 'em with that raw shit, straight to the vein. Target sustained, everything is good now. Back on the beat, eating like we should now. Violate me, I wish a nigga would. We getting money now, and it's all good. We getting money now. We about the hood. We getting money now. We got the honeys now. We drive them nice cars. This shit ain't funny now. We getting money now, and it's all good. We getting money now. We about the hood. We getting money now. We got them honeys now. We drive them nice cars. This shit ain't funny now. I went from dead broke to having something. I remember them days when I ain't had nothing. I had to hustle and wait, hoping to make something. Yeah. Oh, that put it in joint? Yeah, no doubt, no doubt, no doubt. That's just crazy right there, boy. You know what I'm saying? Like I told y'all, man, it ain't been easy for me, man, you know what I'm saying? So at one point, man, you know what I'm saying? I snatched your meal, boy. You know what I mean? Some real shit, you know what I'm saying? I snatched your meal. I put it in and you gon' kick it out, nigga. You know what I'm saying? That's basically what that joint is about. Because, I mean, when you getting it and all that, you gotta watch out for them wolves. Them niggas like that red meat, man. Niggas wanna eat. You know what I'm saying? So basically, that's what that joint is about right there. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah. Get that money. Yeah, I know what it is. It's your boy, Cappuccino, aka Gunplay, nigga. Nigga, I put it in, and you gon' kick it out. You know what I'm about, crack the safe, shut your mouth. I got some hungry niggas lurking at your mama's house. And I ain't for the games, I ain't with the cat and mouse. Nigga, I'ma put it in, and you gon' kick it out. You know what I'm about, crack the safe, shut your mouth. I got some hungry niggas lurking at your mama's house. And I ain't for the games, I ain't with the cat and mouse. Nigga, I'ma put it in. Like I got it to win, I ain't got it to lose. I stay trapping the ooze, put your face on the news. I stay far from them fools that be snatching them jewels. I be clapping them tools, taking them rich niggas fool. They be like that nigga losing it. Anything that moves is thick. These bitches all on my dick, hollow tips all up in my clip. Don't try to roll up on my clip, gunshots will make your blood drip. Don't become another subject. My crew be wildin' like they hide up on that coke and shit. We gamble big, hustle hard. Yeah, we on that poker shit. Resist my wrath, my guns are blast. Show you how my toast is fit. 21 up in the clip, and I'ma give you most of it. Get over it. Afghanistan, I'm on some soldier shit. Nigga, play your part and get your motherfucking motor split. Seize all the money, all the ice, and all the powder bricks. Y'all niggas feeling shit. Nigga, I put it in, and you gon' kick it out. You know what I'm about, crack the safe, shut your mouth. I got some hungry niggas lurking at your mama's house. And I ain't for the games, I ain't with the cat and mouse. Nigga, I'ma put it in. Yeah, that safety lock joint, yeah, no doubt. That's that hook banger right there, you know what I'm saying? Basically, that's that joint is representing the street. You know what I'm saying? Representing all the real homies in the field. You know what I mean? Because, you know what I'm saying? You gotta be like, you know what I'm saying, knee deep in the game. You know what I'm saying? When you knee deep in the game, you gotta be firm on your feet, you know what I mean? Homies will try to run you over, man, leave you dead in the street, you know what I mean? We can't have that, you know what I'm saying? So, you run up on me, boy, shit, you might hold something, take something back to the mall, you know what I mean? Yeah, that's that real shit, you know what I mean? Word up, man. For real, man. So that's basically what that safety lock joint is about, you know what I'm saying? Just be prepared, because it's hot out there. Yeah. I'm back. Yeah. It's that takeover music. You know what I mean? Yeah. It's your boy Cappuccino, AKA gunplay, nigga. Cause we don't play. Know what I mean? I ain't got a safety lock. I keep an extra load. You run up on me, boy, I fool your ass of holes. I ain't gotta make it pop. Niggas already know that fucking with me is like a Broadway show. I ain't got a safety lock. I keep an extra load. You run up on me, boy, I fool your ass of holes. I ain't gotta make it pop. Niggas already know that fucking with me is like a Broadway show. Nigga, you know my stilo, pop your ass for a kilo. I'm rolling through the hood with the chopper on the D-Lo. I've been popping that before niggas start copping that. As far as I see it, y'all niggas is copycats. You put it on the shelf and niggas gon' copy that. I'm live in the field, nigga, you copy that? You better pay attention or get smacked with detention. Make them spell infrared beams or clips with extension. You can't escape the henchmen. They find him with his head gone. His mama viewed the body, said damn, they did him dead wrong. A nigga getting money off the coke and the heroin. I fuck bad bitches, fat ass and nice titties. A nigga party hard, excite and light cities. Make you dance out your chain and your watch just like did it. Nigga, we runs the city, owns the night. My niggas is like a horror flick, pulled the dice. Cause I ain't got a safety lock. I keep an extra load. You run up on me, boy, I fool your ass of holes. I ain't gotta make it pop. Niggas already know that fucking with me is like a Broadway show. I ain't got a safety lock. I keep an extra load. You run up on me, boy, I fool your ass of holes. I ain't gotta make it pop. Niggas already know that fucking with me is like a Broadway show. You know, holla at your boy. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that to the death joint. Yeah, that joint right there is sick, you know what I mean? Basically, that joint right there is letting you know that, you know, you try to breach my spot, boy. Tomahawks and all that might get at your ass, you know what I'm saying? Bro, the moment, I mean, I ain't just gonna lay down, homie. You know what I'm saying? I'ma ride till there ain't no breath left. You know what I'm saying? So even when I'm on my dying breath, you can best believe, nigga, I'ma holler at you. Feel me? That's what that's about, basically. Vibe and death, man. Yeah. Breathing my last breath. 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 I'ma ride to the death. Breathing my last breath. I'ma ride to the death. Breathing my last breath, I'ma ride to the death. Breathing my last breath, breathing my last breath, breathing my last breath. Niggas is cold, but God guided my steps. God gave me life, God gave me breath. My pops gave me the heart to ride to the death. I'm tearing niggas apart, mates banging out the tech. These niggas is soft like gel when I step. Niggas better respect, the chopper's on deck. The RPG is in the SUV. A nigga roll like Obama, you don't want it with me. The niggas sees all that drama when they talking about me. Cause I'm riding with death, and I give them for free. Money, power, respect, that is all I accept. I don't take no loss, I don't hand out debts. I collect all bets, even when I lose. $100,000 tips, $500,000 whips. I'ma ride to the death, nigga, you try to take this. I'ma ride to the death, nigga, you try to take this. I'ma ride to the death, breathing my last breath. I'ma ride to the death, breathing my last breath. I'ma ride to the death, breathing my last breath. Breathing my last breath, breathing my last breath. Breathing my last breath, breathing my last breath, breathing my last breath. I'ma ride to the death. Breathing my last breath, breathing my last breath, breathing my last breath. Holla.